Now in this experiment, we'll work with objects on layer 0, but their properties are all unique. Okay, they're not by layer, they're not by block. This line is odd color, odd line type, odd color line, odd line type. The circles are all odd colors. Let's make a block out of this situation and see how it works. Click Create. We'll call it, say, B4. Base point, dead center, select everything. Click OK. Now we're on layer 0. It's a block. Not much change. Nothing is in accordance with the property of the current layer. Let's move it to, say, layer 1. Select it, drop down, pick layer 1, and obey the line weight, because that remained by layer. But it does not let's see, does not obey a line type, at least not by those that are assigned. Okay, let's move it to, say, layer 2. Okay, the objects that were line type by layer obey the line type setting of the layer that it's inserted on. But it appears anything that is set uniquely remains at that setting. Okay, it's on layer 2. Can we freeze layer 2? I think it'll freeze. Okay. How about if we freeze the layer it was on? Layer 0, nothing happens. Hello. Alright, we'll make layer 2 current. Freeze layer 0, nothing happens. So it seems like if you assign a unique color, line type or line weight, they remain constant. But if you leave color, line type, line weight by layer, they obey the properties of the layer the block is inserted on. Okay. The fifth condition might be a non-zero layer with unique colors. I'm guessing you've got to treat it object by object. So that's all for now.